VIVO Y66, and let me show you how to take a screenshot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the screen that you would like to capture. In my case, it could be the list of settings. If you would like to save this list, you have to use the power key and home button. Let's do it simultaneously. Let me show you. And just capture the screen. Let me show you again, power key and home button. You have to do it really simultaneously. And you just capture the screen. Alright. There is also the second way of taking screenshot. Let's just use upper bar, down bar. Here let's use S capture, and you can use the long screenshot, funny screenshot, or rectangular screenshot. In my case, let me for example use long screenshot. Here you've got tutorial. If this is your first time, tap OK, and if you tap the long screenshot, you can save the whole list of settings, so it could be really cool. Alright, tap save, and that's it. Now if you would like to share, edit, delete, or do whatever you want with the captured screen, you need to open the screenshot folder. You can do it by using the albums right here. Let's choose my albums and choose the screenshot. So now you can share, edit, delete, or do whatever you want. Alright, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.